Hey everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling something that many people struggle with, saving money. We're going to discuss how automating your savings can make the process easier, more effective, and, dare we say, even fun. So, stick around and let's make saving effortless. Automating your savings. How to make saving money effortless. So, first things first. Why should we automate our savings? Well, in simple terms, if you don't see it, you can't spend it. By automating, you're ensuring that your savings are taken care of before you even have a chance to spend the money. Number 1, direct deposit. Many employers offer the option to split your paycheck between 2 or more accounts. This way, a certain amount or percentage of your income can go directly into your savings account each time you get paid. Number 2, automatic transfers. If your employer doesn't offer the direct deposit option, don't worry. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This can be done weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. Number 3, apps and fintech. Today's digital age offers a wealth of savings apps and financial technology that make saving money easier. Apps like Acorns, Chime, and Digit automatically save small amounts for you, which can add up over time. Number 4, roundup programs. Another fun and almost unnoticed way to save is by using roundup programs. With these, every purchase you make is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the difference is transferred into your savings. Number 5, automated investment platforms. For those looking to combine saving with investing, robo-advisors are an excellent choice. Companies like Betterment and Wealthfront automatically invest your money based on your personal goals and risk tolerance. There you have it, folks. Saving money doesn't have to be a pain. With these automated options, you can set it, forget it, and watch your savings grow. Just remember, the goal here isn't to make you rich overnight, but to build a strong financial foundation over time. If you have any questions, or if you've used any of these options before, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep saving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload new content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.